BMW ownership has a reputation for being expensive, and in many cases, that reputation is deserved. Premium parts, specialized labor, performance tires, and complex electronics can add up quickly. But not every BMW is equally costly to keep on the road. Some models use proven engines, simpler configurations, and widely shared components that make long-term ownership far more manageable than most people expect. In this video, we're looking at 4 BMWs that can deliver the luxury, performance, and driving experience people want from the brand without automatically turning into a financial burden. These aren't cheap cars to own, and we'll be honest about the compromises, but compared with many other BMWs, they can be surprisingly reasonable if you buy carefully and maintain them properly. If you want the BMW experience without constantly fearing the next repair bill, these 4 models deserve a much closer look. Let's start with the 2022 to 2024 BMW 230i Coupe, one of the best examples of how choosing the right specification can dramatically change the cost of BMW ownership. The 230i gives you the classic formula enthusiasts actually want: a compact coupe, rear-wheel drive, sharp handling, and enough power to have fun, but without many of the expensive performance components found on an M240i or a full M car. Under the hood is BMW's 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 four-cylinder producing 255 horsepower, paired with the familiar 8-speed automatic. The B48 is important here because by this generation, it was already a mature engine used across a huge number of BMW products. It isn't maintenance-free, but it has generally proven far less troublesome than some older BMW Turbo 4 designs, and widespread parts availability helps make servicing more predictable. Running costs are another reason the 230i makes sense. It can return impressive fuel economy for a genuinely quick luxury coupe, and you're not automatically dealing with the same appetite for expensive tires, brakes, and fuel that comes with the 6-cylinder performance models. There are still BMW expenses to consider. Cooling system components, sensors, electronics, and oil leaks can become concerns as these cars accumulate age and mileage, and dealership labor rates can make even relatively simple repairs expensive. A neglected example can absolutely become costly, so a service history and a pre-purchase inspection still matter. But that's different from saying the car itself is inherently expensive to own, and that's really the appeal of the 2030i. You're getting a modern BMW that still feels special from behind the wheel, with a high-quality interior, strong performance, excellent chassis balance, and technology that doesn't feel dated, yet you're avoiding some of the additional complexity and consumable costs associated with BMW's faster models. For someone who doesn't need 400 horsepower to enjoy their car, the 230i can actually be the smarter enthusiast choice. It's certainly not Toyota cheap to maintain, but among modern BMW coupes, the total ownership experience can be considerably more reasonable than the badge on the hood might lead people to believe. Next is the 2021 to 2024 BMW 430i, a car that looks considerably more expensive to own than it actually needs to be. With its aggressive styling, premium cabin, and upscale coupe image, it's easy to assume the 4 Series automatically comes with serious running costs. But underneath that expensive-looking body, the 430i uses a very familiar formula: BMW's 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 four-cylinder paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. With 255 horsepower, it has enough performance to feel genuinely quick in normal driving without stepping into the higher fuel consumption, tire costs, and additional performance hardware associated with the M440i. By this point in its development, the B48 was also a well-established engine used extensively throughout BMW's lineup, which means independent specialists know it well and replacement parts aren't tied to some rare or exotic drivetrain. The real savings become clearer when you compare the 430i with the BMW people are often tempted to buy instead. An M440i is unquestionably faster, and its B58 6-cylinder is excellent. But most drivers aren't using that extra performance during a normal commute. The 430i can deliver strong fuel economy on the highway, and depending on wheel and option choices, replacement tires and brakes can be noticeably less painful. That's an important detail when shopping used. A 430i on sensible wheels, without every performance option, may actually be a better long-term ownership proposition than a heavily optioned example with larger wheels and more expensive consumables. Sometimes the cheapest BMW to buy isn't the cheapest BMW to keep. There are still weaknesses worth knowing about. This remains a modern German luxury car filled with electronics, sensors, turbocharging, and an increasingly sophisticated cooling system. Once mileage climbs, items such as engine mounts, cooling components, suspension bushings, batteries, and electronic modules can eventually require attention, and having everything repaired at a BMW dealership can quickly erase some of the savings we're talking about. Maintenance history matters much more than finding the absolute lowest-priced example. But with a good independent BMW specialist and preventive maintenance, the 430i can be surprisingly manageable. That's what makes this car so interesting. From the outside, it has the presence of something genuinely expensive. Inside, it gives you modern BMW technology, excellent materials, a refined highway ride, and enough performance to make everyday driving enjoyable. Yet mechanically, you're getting one of BMW's more proven modern four-cylinder powertrains rather than an exotic performance setup. The 430i isn't cheap to own in absolute terms, but compared with what people expect when they see that BMW badge, and compared with some of the more powerful alternatives in the showroom, it can be a much smarter financial proposition than it first appears. Coming in next is the 2018 to 2021 BMW 530i. And this might be the biggest surprise on the list because everything about the 5 Series suggests expensive ownership. It's a large executive sedan filled with technology, premium materials, and the kind of refinement normally associated with considerably higher running costs. But the 530i combines that expensive car experience with BMW's familiar 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 4-cylinder and 8-speed automatic. With 248 horsepower in US market examples from these years, it's obviously not as effortless as the 6-cylinder 540i, but it's still quick enough for normal driving, remarkably efficient on the highway, and mechanically less intimidating than many buyers expect from a 5 Series. This is where specification matters. The 530i gives you essentially the same basic G30 cabin, excellent highway refinement, comfortable seating, sophisticated chassis, and executive car presence as the more powerful versions, but without paying for performance you may never use. Fuel consumption is lower than in many 6-cylinder alternatives, and a conservatively optioned rear-wheel drive example can avoid some of the additional hardware and complexity of xDrive. For someone covering a lot of highway miles, that combination can make the 530i a particularly compelling ownership proposition. You're enjoying a genuine 5 Series experience without necessarily accepting the running costs of the most powerful 5 Series. However, there's an important distinction between an affordable drivetrain and an affordable entire car. The 530i is still a 5 Series. Adaptive suspension components, larger wheels, sophisticated electronics, driver assistance systems, lighting assemblies, and interior technology can be expensive if something fails. As mileage increases, cooling system components, suspension wear, engine mounts, batteries, and various sensors deserve attention. This is also why I'd rather buy a slightly more expensive 530i with excellent records than a suspiciously cheap example with no maintenance history. Depreciation can make these cars look like bargains, but neglected luxury cars rarely stay bargains for long. Buy the right example, though, and the economics become surprisingly convincing. You can get the quietness, comfort, build quality, and road presence of a serious German executive sedan while relying on one of BMW's more established modern powertrains. Find a good independent BMW specialist instead of relying exclusively on dealership service. Stay ahead of maintenance rather than reacting to failures, and the 530i can cost considerably less to own than its luxury car image suggests. It's not the 5 Series I'd choose for maximum performance, but for someone who wants maximum luxury per dollar without unnecessarily increasing running costs, it may actually be one of the smartest versions to own. Finally, we have the 2019 to 2022 BMW Z4 sDrive 30i, and this is probably the car on this list that most people would assume is expensive to own. It's a low-slung German roadster with a power-folding roof, rear-wheel drive, premium technology, and the appearance of something that should require a serious maintenance budget. But underneath the exotic-looking body is a drivetrain that's far more familiar than you might expect. The sDrive 30i uses BMW's 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 four-cylinder, producing 255 horsepower, and paired with the proven 8-speed automatic. It's essentially another application of BMW's mainstream modern powertrain, and that's a major advantage when the car eventually needs servicing. You're not dealing with an exotic engine simply because the Z4 looks exotic. The sDrive 30i is also a case where choosing less power can actually make the car more enjoyable to own. The Z4 M40i is fantastic, and its B58 six-cylinder deserves its excellent reputation, but it also brings more performance than many owners realistically need. The 30i is already quick, especially because the Z4 is relatively light, and it still delivers the rear-wheel drive balance, low seating position, responsive chassis, and open-top experience that make the car special. Meanwhile, fuel consumption can be surprisingly reasonable, and you're avoiding some of the additional running costs associated with the higher performance version. Of course, there is one major caveat. The Z4 is still a convertible. The power-operated soft top introduces components that a normal coupe simply doesn't have, and roof mechanisms, seals, drainage systems, and related electronics should always be inspected carefully on a used example. Tires, brakes, suspension components, and BMW-specific electronics aren't bargain basement items either. And because many Z4s are driven enthusiastically or spend long periods sitting in garages, a low odometer reading doesn't automatically mean the car has been perfectly maintained. Service history and condition matter more than mileage alone. But here's what makes the Z4 such a compelling choice. You're getting a car that looks and feels far more exotic than its mechanical fundamentals suggest. Maintain it properly, avoid neglected examples, and the sDrive 30i can provide the experience of owning a premium German sports car without necessarily producing premium sports car repair bills every year. It's still more expensive to own than a mainstream roadster, but compared with what most people imagine when they see a BMW convertible sitting in the driveway, the reality can be surprisingly reasonable. And that's exactly why the Z4 sDrive 30i belongs on this list. BMW ownership will never be truly cheap, and that's important to understand. But expensive doesn't automatically mean unreasonable. Choose the right model, avoid unnecessary performance hardware, buy a well-maintained example, and find a good independent BMW specialist, and the numbers can look very different from the horror stories you hear online. These 4 cars prove that you can still enjoy the performance, luxury, and driving experience that make a BMW special without turning every service visit into a financial disaster. The smartest BMW isn't always the fastest or most expensive one. Sometimes it's simply the version that gives you everything you'll actually use without making you pay for everything you won't. Let us know in the comments which BMW has surprised you the most with its ownership costs. And subscribe because we've got plenty more honest BMW buying advice, hidden gems, and models to avoid coming next.